Lesson 1 about Lhasa. Lhasa is the second most populous city on the Tibetan plateau after Xining. It is the administrative capital of the Tibet Autonomous Region in the People's Republic of China. At an altitude of 3,490 meters, 11,450 feet, Lhasa is one of the highest cities of the world. Lhasa is home to the Tibetan Ha and Hill people, as well as several other ethnic groups, but the Tibetan ethnic groups make up a majority of the total population. Let us know something more about this beautiful and breathtaking place. World-renowned Tibet lies on a snow plateau. The effect of this is a glorious sunset against a dark blue sky, floating white clouds and desolate mountains. This has earned Lhasa the nickname, the City of Sunlight. Lhasa is a unique and spiritual city. After 1,000 years of unpleasant changes, it has managed to retain its ancient palace, thick with religious history, its ancient temples, relics and streets whilst simultaneously keeping pace with modern society. Visitors have every reason to visit Lhasa when they come to Tibet. On your way from the Gongkar airport to Lhasa, you will see a simple but attractive temple north of the highway. A little east of the temple is a giant carved Buddha, Nyetang Buddha. The Buddha is a big attraction for visitors before they enter Lhasa. Everyone wants their photo taken here with Lord Buddha. The Potala Palace, one of the most famous places of Lhasa, must be visited during a trip to Tibet. This palace is sacred for the Tibetan people. Before entering the palace, one has to show one's identity card or passport if one is a foreign tourist. Another must-see attraction is the Jokhang Temple. It is surrounded by Barkhor Street in the center of Lhasa. Being the spiritual center of Tibet, the temple is finely decorated with Tibetan features. It is where tourists can go to get a real taste of Tibetan culture. To visit Jokhang Temple, one must pass through Barkhor Street, where one will find many Tibetan people going to chant and sing. For tourists, this is also a commercial street with lots of Tibetan artworks and souvenirs and bustling with visitors from many different countries. Visitors should also visit the three main monasteries in Lhasa. They are the Sera Monastery, Gande Monastery and Drepung Monastery. Sera Monastery is situated in the north of Lhasa city. The highlight of the monastery is lamas debating on Buddhist doctrine. Drepung Monastery is the largest monastery in Tibet which lies in the west of Lhasa. The unveiling ceremony of the giant Thangka of the Buddha is held in Drepung Monastery on the first day of the annually held Shoto festival. People who visit Lhasa certainly have a blissful, calm and spiritual experience.